As you can probably tell from the backgrounds, the home renovation is well and truly underway. So you might be thinking the income reports are going to slow down, right? Absolutely not! As such, it's time to dive into a little bit more detail on the websites, the page views, the earnings, and the goals for next month. Let's jump into it. The earnings. As much as it pains me to say, you guys aren't really here for me, are you? You're here more to compare how your websites are doing compared to my websites. And there's nothing wrong with that. Let's not make this video more painful than it has to be. And let's go into the exact amount of earnings the website has made last month. So last month, May 2022, both my websites brought in a grand total of $255.95. This is down slightly from April 2022, whereby the sites brought in $266, so about $10 less than last month. However, there were a few reasons for this. Last month was more near the start of the quarter, so naturally earnings are going to be slightly less than they would be near the end of the quarter like this month. Amazon affiliate earnings are also incredibly unpredictable, so last month's earnings were more a case of last month overperforming than this month underperforming, if that makes sense. Now, for those of you still here, let's dive into the specifics of the individual websites, starting with site number one. So site one was the first website I started bang on 2 years ago from now, actually. And to call it a website is kind of an insult to websites, because I like to refer to this as a giant waste of time / an actual bag of crap. I'm not crying myself to sleep over it. Stop asking questions. The keyword research was completely off. The topics that I was going after were just way too competitive for a brand new site to ever rank. And just generally, it was my first foray into the world of online marketing. Safe to say a lot of mistakes were made. Blog one then currently has 116 posts on it, none of which have been updated in around about a year or so. That being said, this blog is still bringing in consistent traffic levels. And last month, it managed to bring in 6,648 page views, up from April's 6,487. So a small little jump there. Looking over my previous income reports, which you should definitely check out, by the way, this website is consistently bringing in anywhere between 5,000 to 7,000 page views every single month. So despite not working on it for a while, it's still doing okay for a first website, that is. Now, whilst I joked about calling this website an absolute waste of time, the truth of the matter is, thankfully, this website is bringing in a small amount of income every single month. The website's currently monetized through Ezoic and Amazon Associates. And last month, it brought in $61 from Ezoic and $74 from Amazon Associates, making for a grand total of around $136. Now this too is down from last month's $173, so a small jump there. But as I mentioned, there's a couple of reasons for that. The main one being last month I really overperformed with the affiliate earnings, so it's natural that it's going to take a bit of a dip when the affiliate earnings are more average, I'd say, than exceeding expectations. Overall though, considering I haven't updated any content on it in a while, I'm very happy with its performance, and I'm happy to just leave it there and continue bringing in a consistent amount of traffic. Site number two. So as many of you know, site two is my main website, and it's where all my hopes, dreams, and more often than not, nightmares actually go. This is the website then that I set my monthly goals on, and last month I set the target of getting 7 brand new pieces of content on the website, hitting 9,000 page views per month, and getting the website to over $100 in income. And guess what? Shockingly, with all of this going on, your boy somehow managed to hit all 3, which I'm freaking, yeah, very excited by. Last month then, this website managed to bring in 10,190 page views, the most this website has ever brought in, and up from 7,500-ish page views from last month. Now, for many of you watching, 10,000 page views is definitely a walk in the park for yourself, but for me, who's never really managed to do that on a website before, I'm absolutely thrilled by the results of that. To quote Jim Harmer of Income School fame,
if a website can get to 10,000 page views, it will get to 100,000 page views with enough work.
It just makes the whole thing a lot more tangible now that it's actually bringing in a decent amount of traffic. Now, tracking this against Income School's monthly tracker of how well the website should be performing, this website is now officially 1 year old, and according to their timelines, it should be bringing in around 6,000 page views per month. So very happy that we're exceeding expectations at the moment. In terms of earnings, like I mentioned, the big goal for last month was to grow this to over $100, and we managed to do it, bringing in around $119 last month, up from around $92 a month before, so a decent increase there month on month. Now, according to Income School, this website should be earning around about $132, so slightly behind on the earnings for this website. However, you've got to bear in mind that this website is only being monetized through things like Azoic. There aren't really too many affiliate links on the website, which is something I definitely want to go down to, because if I did, I could probably double the amount of income that this website was bringing in. Now, I know a lot of you are probably curious about the number of posts on the website. At the moment then, Site 2 has 109 live published posts. And I'd say of those 109, maybe 50, maybe 60 of those have actually had the time to rank there as well. So a lot of rankings still to go, hopefully. Now, throughout this video, I've mentioned Jim Harmer and Income School and all those different kinds of things. And so if you're interested in learning a little bit more about them, Income School's Project 24 is the course that I followed to help me grow the website to 10,000 page views per month. I think it's one of the better courses out there on the marketplace. So if you're interested, there is an affiliate link in the description box down below. Feel free to click on it if you're thinking about opting for Income School's Project 24, as it really will help out the channel there. Goals for next month. So seeing as we're about 2 weeks into June, a little bit delayed on this video, guys, it's probably a good idea if we set up some goals for the websites for next month. Once again, mainly focusing all around site number 2. Now, despite again, all of this, I'm still fairly confident I'm able to get 7 brand new posts on the website. And inside secret, this is the first month I'm actually going to outsource 1 piece of content, so I'll be sure to keep you posted on how that gets on. Now, for any of you who are current Income School members, you might be aware that Income School recommends you to battleship your content, which is basically going back, updating all the old content that isn't ranking and seeing if you could do better. That is on my to-do list, but it's not going to be for this month. What I want to do is wait a couple more months near the end of the year and then have more content to update in one go, hopefully. In terms of earnings, I'd love for this website to be able to hit that $150 in earnings. I know it's going to be a big ask without any affiliates on the website and stuff, but fairly hopeful if the growth increases, we might be able to hit that target. Finally, and this is the big one, I'm literally brooking it, saying it out loud, but hopefully with all the goodwill we've got, this might be able to happen. I want the website to grow by another 30%, so I'm aiming for the website to hit 13,000 page views next month, or this month because it's June. I've been lazy. Blogging family, leave a comment down below. Let me know how your websites have performed last month, if they're doing good, if they're doing bad, and what you're going to do to hopefully improve your chances of success. As always, I'm wishing you the best success all the way through this lens in this dirty room, just to make sure that your blogs hopefully do very, very well. As always, if you're interested in more videos around blogging, personal development, side hustles, or whatever you want me to do, dance monkey dance at the end of the day, absolutely smash the like and subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel. And until the next one, I'll leave you to it. All the best for now, gang. Have a good one. Bye.